Hello, good evening everybody. Today once again we are going to bring back our peoples from Shillong and Guwahati. Total 8 buses bringing around 240 peoples back to Tripura. 4 buses from Shillong and another 4 buses from Guwahati. I think already they started their journey from Guwahati. I am praying for their safe journey and I hope they will reach their destination and their home safely. And I would also like to thank Shillong and Guwahati TSF workers like Bivas and Raju. And of course, I would like to thank our Highness Bubagra because without his contribution and without his effort, we can't able to bring back them. And we contributed today around 1 lakh rupees to bring back them. Actually, they're returning home by their own expenses, and of course we are also contributed them, and I already telling you that we are contributed around 1 lakh rupees on behalf of Tipra organization for bringing back them. I announce this because socially because some national political parties try to take credit of our heartless works. This is very shameful thing. For example, before 2-3 days we brought one bus from Pune, but our honorable CM tweeted and tried to take credit of it. It is very, very shameful. And same thing is tried to followed by another political party today, another national political party. It is also very, very shameful thing. I hope they will understand and they will never repeat it. And thank you Bubagra once again, and once again I am praying for their safe journey and I hope they will reach safely at their destination. Thank you. Hambai.